Hello and welcome to section 5 of this book. Section 5 is about formatting. Now, we are done writing this book. It's time to format the book. Before we start formatting the book, I will need to add 3 pages, 3 blank pages. 3 blank pages. So just come to this place. See, you can see my cursor blinking. Go to insert 3 blank pages. 1, 2, 3. The first page is going to be a title page. Second page is your legal page. Third page is going to be a table of content page before introduction. So let's go and do that. Remember the title of our book. The title of our book is called Audrey Hepburn Biography. Put it there. Centralize. Just go to the first page. Paste your title. Then you can leave it the way you want it, but I used my own. I used to centralize. Then italicize. Okay, turn it to uppercase. Increase the font size to, like, let me see 30 and see. Let me see the weight of 30. Yeah, 30 is okay. 30 is okay. I'll bold it. This is it. Then I will now come down again and drop the subtitle. The Untold Stories of Nollywood's Most Beloved Star. That's our subtitle. I'll drop it there. Then here I will reduce it to, let me see, 20. Yeah, 20 is okay. I will now italicize it. I will not bold it. I'll leave it like that. Okay, let's bold it. Let's leave it like that, bold. So title, subtitle, then next thing, author. The author of this book. For you to name get author for your book, don't use your name. Look for a pen name for this. So you can go to fake name generator, click here. Then, since we are targeting United States, we want to look like one of them. I want to be like one of them. Can be a male or a female, no problem. Then make sure your country is United States. Click on generate. Okay, we now have NSC greening. So NSC greening is good. You can pick that. Stephen M. Foreman, Gary A. Powell. You can pick any, just pick one. Tommy E. Lopez. So we'll pick a name here. Alan Miller, Bernardo G. Cook, Derek M. Ramirez. Can we try a German name? To look like we know the woman very well. Josh H. Phillips, James D. Carlson, Ralph Lindstrom. Yes, I like this name. I'll copy. It looks similar like American name. So I'll now put it here. If I like, I can change this one to something else, or I remove it totally. So that is my pen name for this book. So now put here by, what is going on? Yeah, by Ralph Lindstrom. Just format this place any way you feel like doing it. Just do it your own way. Don't copy exactly what I'm doing. Don't copy exactly what I'm doing. Let your book be your book. It should not resemble my book. Okay? So, you can leave it like that. Audrey Hepburn biography, the untold story of Hollywood's most beloved star, by Ralph Lindstrom. Can reduce this size, can reduce this to 15. Yes, nobody cares about that. Do it their own way. Yes, that is it. Or you can even shift this down and bring this forward a little bit closer, like this. It is your book. Just do it the way you want it. Do it the way you want it. So now we want to save our book now. Save it with the name of the person you are writing about. In this case, you can see that's it. That's how I'll be saving my name in my book now. It's there already. So I'll leave it like that and save. So our book is safe. We are done with the first page. So the second page is our legal. I call that place legal page. Let's scroll down. This is where we'll be doing our legal page. Now we don't have any legal page available. We'll now go to our prompt. Or we'll go to ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT and send ChatGPT a message. Now, ChatGPT. Let me write. Okay, let me use Notepad so that you'll be able to see what I'm doing. Generate 100 words. Generate 100 words. Generate 100 words. With copyright note for my book titled, let's put it like this, put this name, titled, generate on 100 words, generate 100 words of 100 words of, should I put off 100 words copyright and disclaimer note for my book and review. My name is the author name is and boots. All right reserved. reserved. And date. Let's see what ChatGPT will do with this instruction. Copyright at 2023 by Ralph. This will work. Let's just take it down to our notepad and edit it. You don't start here. Just say all right reserved. No part of this publication may be reproduced, distributed, or transmitted in any form or by any means, including photocopying, recording, or other electronic or mechanical method, without the prior written permission of the publisher, except in the case of brief quotation embodied in critical reviews and certain other commercial uses permitted by copyright law. Then that is a disclaimer. No, that is copyright. Now, the information and views expressed in this book. See the book? Are solely those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the official policy or position of any individual or organization mentioned. The author has made every effort to ensure the accuracy of the information provided in this book, but makes no representation or warranties of any kind, expressed or implied, about the completeness, accuracy, reliability, suitability, or availability with respect to the content of this book. We are going to work on this place. The content of this, the information and views expressed in this book. You can be using this same copyright in all our books. So we have to remove the title of the book. Those of the author, remove it so that you can use it in all your books. Are solely those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the position of mentioned. Okay, we leave it like that. Disclaimer: this book is a work of biography and is based on the author's research and understanding of the subject matter. While efforts have been made to provide accurate and up-to-date information, the author and publisher shall not be held liable for any error. Okay, this is good. Now, here we will not put our city name. No. I will not do that. We just say all right reserved. Then we copy this is how I'll be doing it. Copyright at 2023. When it is 2024, make sure you change it. Copyright at 2023, all right reserved. Leave it like this, and leave the disclaimer like this. Now copy it. Take it to your page, centralize it, and drop it there. Drop it there. make sure you reduce the size. Our font size, default font size is 14. We're going to change it to 10 now, just the legal page. Okay, 10 is still big. Let us go with 9. 9 is okay, so it can contain one page. Do it like that. Then it's okay. Bold this. Bold this. Yes, that is how to write a legal page. Because of the length of this video, we'll have the second part where we'll be doing the formatting proper.